Ever looked at the world and thought, how did come up with that? Like the folks who thought to put wheels on luggage or invented the spork. We marvel at the creative genius of others, but what about the genius inside? Think you're not creative? Think again. Creativity isn't some magical gift bestowed upon a select few. It's not about being born under a special astrological sign or getting struck by a bolt of cosmic inspiration. It's more like a muscle, a cosmic muscle, if you will, and the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Today, we're going on a journey, a cosmic quest to unlock that creativity. Get ready to flex those brain muscles. Think you're not creative? Think again. Creativity isn't magic. It's a skill anyone can learn. Today, we're breaking down how to generate your most brilliant ideas, even if you feel like your brain is a blank canvas. We often think of creativity as some elusive force, like it's reserved for the Michelangelos and Marie Curies of the world. But that's just not how the universe or our brains work. Think about it, the universe itself is a giant creativity engine. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, all formed from the same cosmic dust. Every planet, every comet, every bizarre life form we haven't even discovered yet, all products of the universe's boundless creativity. And guess what? You're part of that universe. You have the same building blocks of creativity within you. It's not about being born with a special gift. It's about tapping into the potential that already exists within your mind. Just like an astronomer uses a telescope to explore the universe, we're going to use tools and techniques to explore the universe within. All right, space cadets, time to fire up those neurons. Our first technique is about as straightforward as it gets, the brain dump. Grab a notebook, your tablet, whatever you use to jot down ideas, and just start writing. Don't censor yourself, don't judge your thoughts. Just let them flow out like a cosmic stream of consciousness. Write down every single idea that pops into your head, no matter how silly, impractical, or downright bizarre it may seem. Remember, we're going for quantity here, not necessarily quality yet. Think of it like sifting for gold. You have to move a lot of dirt and rocks to find those precious nuggets. Your best ideas often hide behind the bad ones, waiting for you to unearth them. Now things start to get really interesting. We're going to play a little game I like to call Cosmic Mashup. Take two completely unrelated things, the more unrelated the better, and force them to collide in your mind. Think peanut butter and a stapler, or a flamingo and a submarine. What happens when those two worlds collide? This is called idea synthesis, and it's a powerful tool for sparking creativity. The iPhone, that's just a phone mashed up with an iPod. Netflix, DVDs, and the internet. See, your brain loves making connections. By giving it unexpected things to connect, you're forcing it to think in new and exciting ways. Chapter 4. Change your environment. We humans can be creatures of habit. We get stuck in our routines, staring at the same four walls, and wonder why our ideas feel stale. But guess what? The universe is a big, wide, endlessly fascinating place, and so is our planet. So get out there and explore it. Take a walk in nature. Visit a museum, travel to a new city, or even just a different part of town. New environments bombard your senses with new sights, sounds, smells, and experiences. They shake up your routine and force your brain to forge new neural pathways. Sometimes the best way to get unstuck creatively is to literally get yourself unstuck from your usual surroundings. This might sound counterintuitive, but sometimes the best way to unleash your creativity is to put some limits on it. Think of it like a black hole, incredibly dense and compact, yet capable of generating immense energy. Set a timer for 5 minutes and challenge yourself to come up with as many ideas as possible within that time frame. Limit yourself to using only 3 words to describe your next project. Try sketching an idea using only one color. These constraints force your brain to think differently. When you have fewer options, you have to get more resourceful. You have to dig deeper and find creative solutions within those boundaries. And you know what? You might be surprised at what you come up with. Now, before you accuse me of condoning plagiarism, hear me out. When I say steal, I'm talking about inspiration, not imitation. Every great idea stands on the shoulders of those who came before. So, go ahead, dive deep into the work of people you admire. Study their techniques, their styles, their processes, but don't just copy them. Take those elements, those sparks of brilliance, and twist them, flip them. Combine them with your own unique perspective and experiences. Remember, even Picasso, the master of reinvention, once said, "Good artists copy, great artists steal." Of all the tools in your creative arsenal, curiosity is the most powerful. It's the driving force behind every great invention, every scientific breakthrough, every work of art that's ever made someone stop and say, wow. So never stop asking questions. What if, why not, how come? Question everything, challenge assumptions, embrace the unknown. The more curious you are, the more you'll see the world as a playground of possibilities. You'll start to notice connections you never saw before. And those connections, my friends, are where the real magic happens. You don't need to be an artist or a genius to have great ideas. Just a few simple shifts in how you think